Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. And today we're going to be making candied sweet potatoes. Yes, and if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, the easy and simple way, subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos and tap that bell so you'll always be notified. We're gonna get started right now. Okay guys, I have my sweet potatoes already diced, and I tried to dice them up as even as possible. You want to do that so they'll cook even. So let's head on over. Okay guys, I have my skillet on medium-high heat for now, and I just have some regular unsalted butter. And we're going to be heating up about 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Now I have just about a skillet full of potatoes. You want to cook them in a single layer. So if you have more potatoes to cook, you want to do them either in batches or a much larger skillet. Okay, so we have our diced potatoes here, and I'm just going to heat the butter up first and let it melt. Move it around in the skillet. Okay, nice and hot. So we're just going to put our potatoes inside the skillet and butter and get them all stirred up and coated on all sides. So you just want to mix them in, guys. Just stir them a little bit until they start to cook a little bit. And because they're diced up small, this is not going to take very long. It's probably going to take 5 or 7 minutes total from beginning to end from the time that I have put them in the skillet. Now you can make these in slices and circles or any kind of chop that you want for your potatoes, but I like to do them diced because it just makes it quick and easy. Now I'm putting in about 1/4 cup of regular white sugar. And now I'm going to sprinkle in some cinnamon. This is probably about 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And these ingredients can go in any order, guys. And this is just regular vanilla extract. So I'm going to put in about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Just put it all into the skillet all at once. And we're also adding in cloves, guys, just regular ground cloves. And I'm going to shake in maybe about 1 teaspoon cloves. This is very strong, so you don't need as much clove as you did cinnamon. So now we want to stir this and make sure that the seasonings and the sugar are well coated on all sides. Okay, now we're going to add in about 1/4 cup of water. And then you're going to stir it up again really well. Then we're going to bring it to a boil. We're going to turn our stove up and bring it to a boil and let the potatoes cook in the sauce until it simmers down and turns completely into a syrup. Okay, it's going real good now, guys. And as the liquid evaporates, the sauce, or the syrup rather, will thicken, and that's what's going to candy the potatoes in the end. So we're just going to keep this cooking and stir it every now and then. Take a look. Right now it's real liquidy, and we'll see in a few minutes it's going to start thickening up. And as I said, guys, it only takes about 5 minutes here. Okay, it's time we turned our skillet down some and just let it continue to simmer. As you can see, it's starting to thicken up. And guess what, guys? We're done. As it cools, it'll thicken a little bit more. Yes, look at that, guys. All done, nice and golden, glycering in the syrup. Look at that thick syrup, guys. Now we have our candied sweet potatoes. Yes. And guys, if you like these how-to videos, consider supporting me over on Patreon. I have the link in the description as well as right here. Leave me some comments, guys, and don't forget to thumbs up. Guys, I have awesome sauce merch, and yes, merch. Check it out. Aprons, hats, sweatshirt, t-shirts, baby items, kids items, you name it, I've got it. Check it out, guys. Guys, I really am glad you came to hang out and cook with me today. I really do enjoy each and every one of you all. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos, and tap that bell so you'll always be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.